Good day, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. I want to focus on these three Kaiser Chiefs players, obviously covering yesterday's game and how they performed. It's very important for them to bring their A game each and every time they're given opportunities to play for Kaiser Chiefs. Lilepo, wasteful. What a performance from Solomons. There were doubts, obviously, around him. I'm sure when people saw him, they were like, nah. But, he proved so many people wrong. I saw at the stadium, live reactions. I was like, okay, he's impressing, you know. People were happy to see him perform the way he did. And then I want to talk about Tutuzi Shabalala. Wasteful or maybe, or what's happening with the boy? Oh, a bonus. I want to talk about Nte. There's no trust. Kaiser Chiefs fans saw at the stadium, they don't trust him at all. When he has the ball, they don't even believe that he would get the right pass. So I don't know if Mtetwa has the capacity to handle the pressure that is getting from the fans. Obviously, I understand his role there at Kaiser Chiefs. He has to protect the defenders and, protect defenders and maybe start counter attacks and gives the ball, but he passes at the back too much. At times, he's not comfortable on the ball. It seems like he's going to lose the ball or he's not going to get the right pass for Kaiser Chiefs, but his presence is visible, is there. You could see, especially fighting against tall and strong guys from other countries. So it's going to be very important in terms of winning those battles, or at least, battling, because other players will never compete at this level of aggression. But Tetwa is helping the team. Let's go to Solomons. I mean, what a performance from the right back. He hasn't played this season, but because that position is occupied by Munyani. When Munyani got injured, Frosler got the opportunity. But yesterday, the coaches surprised the fans when they started with Solomons. Solomons brought the speed. The intelligence is getting there. I was impressed by decision making and how he created opportunities for his teammates, how he outpaced the oppositions. I saw there was a moment where they tried to outrun him and they put the ball up front, and I was like, "Are you just wasting your time? That guy has a bullet speed." Yeah, he helped. He really helped Kaiser Chiefs in terms of like starting the counter attacks and even at the back. Making sure that the guys they find it hard to reach Peterson. His side was solid. He did everything well. I was surprised to see them replacing him and bringing Frosler last minute, because Frosler didn't give Kaiser Chiefs anything, Bafowethu. He gave them nothing. But umuntu akalahlwa. We have to look at some of the moments and say, okay, they can build from these moments. But let's move to a different player, Tutuzi Shabalala. I mean, a prince of Kaiser Chiefs, the boy who's supposed to elevate his career and be one of the biggest stars in South African football. Too casual, even on big moments, it's too casual. He got a golden opportunity, he was alone, and even the way he shoots, man, is stylish, and he's just a bad shot. But I can't take one moment and make that one moment about him. He played well in terms of like connecting the players, connecting the play, linking the players. Is good with the ball, but he's lacking that aggression in terms of like that. He has to be aggressive and to push forward. And as I said, he's the Prince of Kaiser Chiefs. He's supposed to elevate his career to the next level, but I think mentally he's not there yet. He's not there. He's not giving Kaiser Chiefs what he's supposed to give them. He's not giving them at all. So I don't know if they will be patient enough, but they will be patient enough. But for how long? Because he's a great player. He's supposed to lead Kaiser Chiefs, but decision making, final third, poor. Um, Not a bad player, but the maturity level, he has to switch on and understand that he's expected to lead. I know he's 21, but he's expected to lead with his talent. He should be far by now, especially with the exposure of Kaiser Chiefs, but he's just there. forever promising but not elevating from that promising to being a proper leader for Kaiser Chiefs overall. He's not a bad player though. He needs to. But how long can we say this? To say he needs to improve. How long? Because the guy has been there, I think, for 4 years now, Kaiser Chiefs, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, he played well. He played well, but final third is poor. Lilepo, a brilliant game, but wasteful. Lilepo, yo, the guy is wasteful. Yo, poor decision making. I mean, Lilepo would frustrate you as a fan. Lilepo would frustrate you as a fan. He would do everything right in terms of positioning himself, getting the ball, the link with other players, linking with other players. But final third, when he sees the space he wants to shoot, and he's undecisive, like he does something too much, and then he loses the ball. Or I saw him yesterday, like he can't pass. Lilepo can't pass like clean because I saw him yesterday. He lost the ball at 4 times. I calculated 4 times, giving the opponent's ball. Like there's no pressure for him at all, but you'd lose the ball easy in terms of like giving wrong passes. Let's track it back a bit. A goal against Kukuna United, Lilepo gets a wrong pass. They are punished. He's at the back. They recover. Frosler recovers the ball. It gets to Lilepo. Lilepo wants to start running, but he stops. He passes who? He wants to get Mtetwa close to the box. Mtetwa is starting to run to cover his space. Mtetwa could not get that ball. As Kukune reacted quickly, that was a goal. So, I mean, there are moments that caused Kaiser Chiefs big moments during these games where Lilepo is undecisive and getting bad passes. But sometimes he would get like, he would link with the players nice. When he gets inside the box, he doesn't cut the ball back. There was a time like he shot like he's trying to shoot. I don't know if it's a shot or it's a what, but the goalkeeper saved that thing. Tight angle. There's no way he could possibly score there, but he's trying to shoot instead of cutting the ball. Lilepo is supposed to create opportunities for Kaiser Chiefs. He has to play as a team player. Forget things about him. It's not about him alone. It's about the team, for the team to do better and to get to better stages of these prestigious competitions on the African continent, which is very important for Kaiser Chiefs, especially this season, because the big teams in South Africa, they're playing on the continental scale or level, but Kaiser Chiefs is not there. And what I realized yesterday was that um, mentally, Kaiser Chiefs players are not ready to play in Africa. I say this because they are too reactive and they're easily manipulated by other players. In terms of reacting, I saw a player. Some moments I know are frustrating, but you have to be able to contain yourself on the continental level in order to not get unnecessary bookings, to just when players start to act as if they are injured or whatever, just ignore that thing, man. You otherwise you'll be too reactive and get unnecessary yellow card like Konika yesterday. So there are things that they need to deal with. Mentally, they have to be fit to be strong in order to go to these countries and get AMA results. It's not easy to play against this team because of the physical presence and that aggression part, but they just have to use their own intelligence. Lilepo, what a performance from him! A great performance from Lilepo, but try, Bafo, to play as a team and connect with your teammates, not just about you alone. Not a bad player though. A good player for Kaiser Chiefs. Possibly the most influential Kaiser Chiefs player at the moment because he scored a goal that took them to penalties. And yeah, let's just wait and see if Lilepo will get better and greater for Kaiser Chiefs this season. They really need him. His presence could be crucial for Kaiser Chiefs as they chase at least a silverware this season. Cup game, league, Confed. No, it's not Confed. It's Kev. It's Kev. Yes. Yeah, it's Kev Confed. Yes. Yeah. Duduzi Shabalala, Lilepo, they are wasteful up front, undecisive, They have to fix that thing. And then Solomon's a good performance. What a performance from Solomon's, you know, a forgotten star in terms of Kaiser Chiefs. No one thought that he could play a big role this season, but it's proving so many of us wrong. Thank you, Bafethu.